Hello, I welcome all of you to my channel. Today's grammar topic is noun and adjective. Okay, each question carries 1 mark here. So don't forget to give yourself 1 mark each for each correct answer. Okay, so are you all ready? Can we start? Let's get started. The first question is, which word is a noun? Here are your options: run, happy, apple, quickly. These are the 4 options. Now you have to identify which one of them is a noun. It is option C. Apple is a noun. If you got it right, give yourself 1 mark. Okay? Okay, let's move on to the second question, which is, what is an adjective in this sentence? Now this is the sentence. You have to identify the adjective in this sentence. The sentence is, the sky is blue. Now your options are sky is blue the. These are the 4 options. You have to identify which of the option is an adjective. It is option C, blue. If you got it right, give yourself 1 mark again. Okay. Next question. Pick the noun in the sentence. Okay. The cat is sleeping. What is the noun in the sentence? Is it sleeping? Is it is? Is it cat? Or is it the? Which one it is? You have to identify the noun in the sentence. Are you able to identify it? It is option C. Cat is the noun in the sentence. Okay. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Choose the adjective. This is the sentence. You have to identify the adjective in the sentence. This is a big balloon. Now identify the adjective in this sentence. Is it balloon? Is it is? Is it this? Or is it big? Which one is the adjective in the sentence? It is option D, big. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Which word is a noun? Okay, here are the 4 words. You have to identify which one is a noun. Okay. So the first option is beautiful, then ball, fast, slowly. Out of these 4 options, which one is a noun? It is option B, ball. Okay, next question. What is the adjective in this sentence? He is a kind boy. This is the sentence. You have to identify the adjective in the sentence. Here are your options. He, kind, boy, is. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Is option B, kind. If you got it right, give yourself 1 mark again. Okay. Okay, next one. Choose the noun in the sentence. The car is red. What is the noun in the sentence? Is it red? Is it is? Is it car? Or is it the? Which identify the noun in the sentence. Which one it is? It is option C, car. Question number 8. Pick the adjective in the sentence. She wore a pretty dress. Now what is the adjective in the sentence? Is it she? Is it wore? Is it pretty? Or is it dress? Identify the adjective in the sentence. Which one it is? It is option C, pretty. Question 9. Which one is a noun? Here are your 4 options. You have to identify which one is a noun. Options are table, soft, blue, long. These are the 4 options. Which one is a noun in these 4 options? It is option A, table. Okay. Okay. Next question. Question number 10. Choose the adjective in the sentence. We saw a tall tree. Now, which word is an adjective in the sentence? Is it saw? Is it we? Is it tree? Or is it tall? Which one is an adjective? It is option D, tall. Okay, question number 11. What is the noun in this sentence? The elephant is big. Identify the noun in the sentence. Options are is, big, elephant, the. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? It is option C, elephant. Okay? Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 12. Pick the adjective in this sentence. It's a cold day. Okay? Now here are your options. Day is cold. These are the 4 options. Which one of it is an adjective? It is option C, cold. Okay, next question. Pick the adjective in this sentence. It's a cold day. Now here are your options. Day is cold. These are the 4 options. Which one of it is an adjective? It is option C, cold. It is option C, cold. Okay, next question. Pick the adjective in this sentence. It's a cold day. Okay? Now here are your options. Day is Okay, question 13. Which word is a noun? Here are your four options: strong, friend, run, happy. These are the four options. Which one is the noun out of these four options? It is option B, friend. Okay. Okay, next question. Choose the adjective. He has a red ball. Now, choose the adjective in this sentence. Is it option A, has, or B, ball, or C, he, or D, red? Which one is the adjective in this sentence? Choose the correct adjective. Which one it is? It is option D, red. Next question 15. Pick the noun. The girl is dancing. This is the sentence. Now you have to identify the noun in the sentence. Here are your options. Dancing, girl, is, the. These are the four options. Which one is correct? This is option B, girl. Okay, next one. Which is an adjective? Here are your four options. You have to identify which one of it is an adjective. Okay. Options are banana, yellow, eat slowly. These are the four options. Which one is an adjective? Out of these four options, is option B, yellow. Okay, next question. Choose the noun in the sentence. I have a pencil. Now identify the noun in the sentence. Is it have? Is it I? Is it pencil, or is it a? Which one is the noun in this sentence? It is option C, pencil. Okay, next question. Pick the adjective in the sentence. It is a sweet mango. This is the sentence. You have to identify the adjective in the sentence. Is it mango? Is it is it sweet, or is it it? Which one it is? Identify the adjective from these four options. It is option C, sweet. Okay. Okay, next question. Question number 19. Which word is a noun? Here you have been given four options. You have to identify which one of them is a noun. Okay. The first option is kind, chair, tall, softly. Which one of them is a noun? Which option is noun? It is option B, chair. Okay. Okay, next question. Question number 20. Choose the adjective in the sentence. The flower is beautiful. Here are your options. Flower, is, the, beautiful. Now identify which one of them is an adjective. It is option D, beautiful. Okay. With that, we come to the end of the exercise. Don't forget to mention in the comment section below how much did you score out of 20. I would love to see your score. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel in order to see more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Happy learning all of you.